Hello, fellow steamers. I did some cleaning and, well, I disassembled the whole governor and cleaned everything, took it apart, and repacked. There's a gland that leaked like a sieve when I got it. This one right here. And you got to disassemble everything, get that rod out of there so you can pack that gland. It had nothing in it. But I did. Sipp was very ingenious in that they had these two screws. There's also a set of holes opposed from them, so you can turn it 360 if you want. So I got that whistle over here. I cleaned the whistle too. I'm going to change all the plumbing a little bit there, but I did get this beauty cleaned up a bit. It's the original one. I didn't shine it to high polish, but it's kind of an antique look now. So I did get it running better. Dropped a couple of PSI off, fixing that leaking gland right there. And she's loping along about 10 or 11 pounds now. So, okay, that's enough.